Why did societies implement debt forgiveness? Because too much debt crushes economies. Early economies were mostly agrarian. If a family went into debt during a famine and never got relief, they became slaves. Too much of this, too many unproductive people, and your entire economy collapses. Debt forgiveness wasn't charity, it was survival. Ancient civilizations knew the truth we often forget today. No society can function if its workers, farmers, and consumers are buried in unpayable debt. Part two, the economic case. Credit without reset equals collapse. Let's shift to economics. We'll start with a formula. GDP equals C plus I plus G plus, in parentheses, X minus M. C is consumer spending, I is business investment, G is government spending, and X minus M is net exports. In the United States, C, consumer spending, accounts for nearly 70% of GDP. That's over $18 trillion a year. Now think about what happens when consumers are overwhelmed with debt. They stop spending, they default on loans, the creditors stop lending, and businesses stop investing. This was exactly what happened in the 2008 financial crisis. Let's look at a key statistic. In 2007, US households' debt hit 130% of disposable income. That means Americans owed $1.30 for every dollar they made after taxes. By 2009, credit markets froze, GDP shrank, unemployment spiked, and foreclosures surged. And then what? Over 1.5 million Americans filed for bankruptcy in 2010, the highest on record. But this wasn't economic failure, it was economic recovery. Because of bankruptcy, lenders absorbed their losses and moved on.